Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse the noise. I hope it's not as loud as it sounds over here. I am going to do an unboxing video. This is the Frank Garcia, oh my god, I think it's Magic Spell collection. I know it's something about magic and spell. We're going to go ahead and open this up. I have not seen anything. Everything's still closed. But I will be back and show you guys what I have here. Okay, so I have not, oh, Jesus. I have not looked through this. Anyways, so I did order a few things, and this is Frank's new card. Are you ready to cast a spell? I have a feeling Frank is a Swiftie, but I'm not 100% sure. Just saying, throwing it out there. Anyways, we were there back in July, and he mentioned he was going to release his collection in August. Unfortunately, he was not able to release it then. We did get a little bit of info from him. He mentioned the lavender, the pinks, obviously, and then he mentioned that the witches were going to be a little bit more Latina, more sassy, more buchonas. Okay, he didn't use the word buchonas, but he did mention that they were going to be as beautiful as they look here in this packaging. So we were quite excited for that. I am very, very excited. So I did get a package of the flowers, the prima flowers, which I absolutely love. Look how pretty they are. I absolutely love their flowers. And then I don't remember getting these. I might have to go back and see if I order these or not. I don't remember, but I don't think they would make a mistake. I think I made a mistake. It's okay. So I grabbed those. These are the puffy stickers. So pretty. Look how pretty those little jack-o'-lanterns are, and the hats. Oh my god, I absolutely love the hats. I'm not so crazy for the butterflies and the moths, but they're there. The potion bottles. Ah, they're so cute. And then the cats. I wonder if he has a cat. I need to ask him. I'm very chatty when I'm over at his store, and then Andrea's over there like, oh my gosh, she's gonna embarrass me. This is the chipboard. I absolutely love the chipboard as well. So pretty. Look how beautifully spooky is this cauldron. So pretty. And I love that, you know, they're not as big as other years. Love. So I grabbed 2, and then I did buy the 6x6 paper pad. Let's see, where are my scissors? So this is a 6x6. Let me zoom in a little, and then we'll go through this right now. So the first page is, oh my god, look how beautiful she is. I like how bright the colors are in this collection, unopposed to the other collection. Luna was definitely one of my favorite collections. So it's 4, and this is the back. Yeah, some stars with a little bit of orange or pink speckle, both colors. This is the second page. So pretty. Okay, and then in the back we have cats, which I love. This is the third page. And you guys, I didn't do anything to my lens. That's how bright and, you know, the colors are. That's the page in the back. These are the bottles with some spider webs. So pretty. And in the back, I think we had a similar page for the last collection, but it was like a pink color instead of lavender, if I'm not mistaken. And then we have the spider webs and the spiders. I think last year it was a very similar, but a little bit more dulled of a pink. And I think the spiders were gold foil. I'm not sure. And then we have the back, the jack-o'-lanterns and the bats. Love, love, love. And then we have this one. And then in the back we have the cauldron. So cute. Oh my god. I don't know who it is. I already seen 2 crafters do the little cauldron with the sea beads. I saw Tony, who is Craft Perch, and then I saw my friend Eva. I know that they're following somebody over on Instagram, and I need to do that too. I have the little cauldrons from Michael's. I'm not sure if those are the ones that they're using, but anyways, so this is the back. Love, love, love the hats. This is such a beautiful collection. Great job, Frank. And then I did watch Marissa's video, and then she said that she was going to cut this envelope out, these 2 envelopes, and then actually do the actual envelope, which is a great idea. And then the back, it's lavender, and I believe that's the last page. It is. Okay, so that's the 6x6. I did get the trim. I know that I could get a similar trim at a store that I'm not going to mention, online store, but I want to support Frank. It's all about supporting small business too. Okay, before I jump into the ephemera, I did buy some separate sheets. I bought the 12x12. This one, look at this witch. Look how beautiful she is. She is gorgeous. Look at the little girl, like haha. Look how cute. Oh, I really want a black cat, you guys. But Milo, my cat, I'm extremely allergic to her, and I still have her. I joke around with my daughter and I say that she's slowly killing me. Anyways, I purchased 2. This is the second one, and the back is the cauldrons. So pretty. And then this is the front. Look how beautiful that is. And there goes the witch again. She's so pretty. Okay. And then I bought 2 of the spider web. I did. So, and this one has the gold foil spiders. And then the back is the jack-o'-lanterns and the bats. Okay, this is where I went a little crazy, and I bought 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of the, oh, let me zoom out. 4 of the pink spider web acetate. You guys know that I love acetate, and his is very sturdy, so I love that. And then I bought, I want to say 3 of the pink and black bats with gold stars. So really love that. And then, oh, apparently I ordered more. Okay, I ordered more. I ordered 1 of the, it doesn't say what page this is. It's called White Moon. Oh my god, I love this. These girls are so beautiful. And then the back is white stars. I order, oh wait a minute, I guess I ordered, okay, 2 of the potions. the back. They're lavender. And then I ordered 2 of the Haunted with the cats. Okay, so this was that add-on. I added the 12 by 12, the paper pad. And I really don't want to open this one, but I think he's not carrying the 12 by 12 paper pad like the book. And this one only has 13 sheets. I mean 16 sheets. So it's the same thing as what I ordered. Now let's get into the goodies. So it has 2 of each. We're at 10 minutes. Maybe I could do this really fast. I'm gonna try to do this really fast. So this is, I don't know, does it say like pack 1, pack 2? No? Well, there goes a little gold bat. Then we have the Book of Spells. Okay, 2 of the Moon. And I love how it's edged like that. So pretty. We have 2 more of, I don't know, I guess another book. 2, say Strange Things. 2 of some kind of wheel. We get 2 pink hats. And quite a few of the jack-o'-lanterns. 2 hands. 2 of the word wicked. So pretty much 2 of each. Those cats. The wax seal. I don't know what these are. 2 more hands. Oh, these are skeleton hands. 2 potion bottles. 2 of the white. Wait, is this a bat? Bat cat? So cute. Okay. How cute is he or she? So cute. And then we have a lot of like words, which I love. I personally love using those. I wish they were in like chipboard, but that's okay. And then we have a bunch of tickets. We have the little ghosty, the moons, spiders, broom, books, more spiders, more hats. Really cute images. Really cute. Oh, there's more bats. I don't know what that is. Cauldron and musical notes. Pink cauldron, which I'm sure everyone's gonna love. The stack of books. I really love the colors on this. And yeah, and then more words. So you get quite a lot. Those are 90 pieces. And then these are the other ones. And the only difference, I'm not gonna open this, but the only difference is that the image, they have like the witch images. They didn't have any over here. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think. I think this is a beautiful collection. Are you guys gonna pick this collection? Are you guys gonna skip on it? I know we're practically already in October, but I'm still crafting Halloween. I'm working on quite a few projects. I have a swap going on right now, and then I have a crafty event also. And yeah, I just really love his collections. I legit love Luna, and I want to say this is my second favorite. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.